You better do that. You do not touch me.
Ain't nobody has time for bullshit.
I don't either.
You want to fight all the time. What's wrong with you?
Because you that nigga who you got pregnant by ain't paying shit.
It's my kid. I don't know it. Not you.
So, when you deal with it?
It's my kid.
When you gonna deal with it?
When I get my kid back.
When are you gonna deal with it?
When I get my kid back.
Bullshit, nigga. That nigga ain't paying shit.
She just want her money, she working it every hour. Shawty gotta eat, so she twerking it every hour. She doing what she got to obtain the money and power. Fuck the respect, and it's like you eat it, you get devoured. 17 with her daughter, no love from her father. Never knew her mother, so she doing what she gotta. Don't believe in love, to her that's a shattered dream. Guess that's how it is when you rape before you a teen. Sometimes she do a line, just to cope with the pain. Niggas say they love her, somehow they never remain. The shit she dealing with would drive another insane. To appreciate the sun, you gotta go through the rain. But it's only rainy days and all she feeling is pain. She sit and cry at night, just wishing it go away. Oh, a hurricane would come and the winds would blow her away. Cause ain't no night is shining armor go come and take her away. She even pray that God would come and take her life right now. Cause only bad ain't no good in her life right now. Getting in how she live, fucking up, pay the bills. Shawty expose her body to niggas that pay the bills. Hard to give her baby the life that she never had. And when she older looking back, can't say that she never had. Oh, these bitches looking at her with their nose up, knowing she'll do anything to get her dough up. Even though it's true, she like fuck them if they gon' judge. Standing on her own too, nah, she ain't gon' budge. Never had no love, way before the grown up. Years of her life, shawty always stayed pulled up. And now that she grown, she just doing what she know. Ain't worried about no man, cause she all about her dope. She tryna live her life, hope nobody cut it short. On top of all the drama, got a kid to support. One night at the mo, she was working the party, they was trying to get paid. Her Brenda and Marley, just a couple of bitches that she was working with. Never thought it'd be some shit that she was gonna regret. When everything started out, it was all good. They was all getting paid like they all should. Till a nigga pulled out a bag of cocaine. Shawty had a bad feeling about that dope, man. She did it anyway, sniffed it and started coughing. Right after started barfing, her heart began to race. And she thinking about what's important, like who gon' take care of her daughter. Will she become an orphan? She said, Lord forgive me. That's when her spirit aborted. Just like that, it was all over, man. That coke wasn't coke, it was pure heroin. Shawty overdosed on some shit that she had never had tried. She was only 27, she wasn't ready to die. See, the moral of it all is live it while you alive. Cause you only live once, nigga, ready or not. I said you only live once, nigga, ready or not. Yeah, you only live once, nigga, ready or not. You know you only live once, nigga, ready or not.